So, this is the first video of the Banana Media YouTube. We are going to install my Speedy EFI on my 1.8 swapped 1990 Miata. Let's get to it. As per Speedy EFI, you are to take out this fuse. This is your starter fuse. Alright, we're swapping to a BMW variable throttle position sensor. And to take off the throttle position sensor, we're going to have to dismount this throttle body right here. So you're going to have to remove your intake, remove your throttle body, and then you can remove this. So right here I run into an issue. I'm running the adapter plate for the 1.6 throttle body on the 1.8 motor with the flying Miata swap, and I struggle getting it off, you can see. But we got it off, we got everything sorted. I had to re-drill out some holes and get everything situated and resealed. But after that, variable throttle position sensor from BMW with the adapter went right on. So I ran into some issues. There's an adapter plate with the 1.8 swap that made it a little more of a pain than it needed to be. But you know what that means? You know me, I'll get it done no matter what. So here's it. Running, idling, and driving on Speedy EFI. Hell yeah, man. Obviously gotta get some shit tuned in, but running. Obviously gotta tune in idle and fuel settings, but we'll get there. It's gonna take some time. I forgot to do an outro for this video, so here it is. If you want to catch some more on Instagram, feel free to go to Shags Miata, Shags with 2 G's. But other than that, stay updated with the Banana Media channel, and we'll get back to it soon enough.